If you like things on a big scale, you'll like this. I walk by this home regularly on my walks, and each year this family plants the seeds for large-scale pumpkins right over here. And then what you can see is they prune and focus in on one that looks particularly promising each year. And is this one ever promising? Currently estimated at 500 pounds, and it's only October 6th. It still has some growing to do and some maturing of color. You can see the scale of this baby. There's my hand, which isn't tiny, and there's the pumpkin. So these people are leaving their gates open so that neighbors and passers-by can enjoy the fruits of their labor.